Hello, welcome back to Step by Step Tech Reviews. In today's video I have something really interesting for you, so stay tuned. Okay, I can finally reveal what's in the box. I'm really excited for this thing, and you will see later on why. So this is the Alphacool water cooling, but it's not only CPU water cooling. This thing is expandable, and you're gonna see it a bit later. So first things first, this is a really big box, so I raise the camera a bit so you can see how they packed this thing. It's crazy, I must say. It's really crazy. A great job from them. This is for my next build, for my next project. So if you wanna see more videos about this, please click like, subscribe. It means a lot to me. So thank you for that. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. And I bought it directly from Alphacool, and as I mentioned before, I bought this directly from their site. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can check out what they have, and I really recommend because these guys are really make unique things. So let's get going. All right, let's see what's inside. Whoa, so a lot of air cushions. I don't know, can you see how much they put it in? Okay, let's put this aside. They really protect the packaging, which I respect. Good job, guys. And more. Oh, and more. And more. Now you can see in the corner of the camera how much actually they put this. And there is one more. I also must say the shipping was extremely fast. It came to me like in 3 days. I live in Europe. I ordered it from a German website, so really fast shipping. I didn't have any problems with it, so I'm really satisfied. I bought also this. So this is Alphacool Extreme Ice Frost. Thermal paste for CPU. Really high quality stuff. Can't wait to put some benchmark how this thing perform. Okay, we have a small box and a big box. And why is that? It's because I ordered actually separate radiator, which I'm gonna connect to this. As I mentioned before, this is expandable AIO. That's why it's so unique. It's it's just great for me. I will talk about it later on. Now let's just see what's inside. I didn't open it, it's still sealed. And can you see? Yeah, this is as far as I know the biggest AIO in the market. So as you can see, this is a 420 millimeters radiator. It's crazy. 360 radiator. So my point was to expand the 420 with a 360 because in some point of my build I'm gonna also water cool my graphic card, so this is a great thing to do with. Now let's see. Oh wow. And so you can see it a little bit better. Why is this so unique for me is it comes with the tubing, alright? So this thing is pre-filled and you can connect it with the connectors to a main unit, and you can actually expand the whole thing. So it's really, you know, no big hassle with all the piping and tubing. You know, this is quick connect. Wow, can you see it? You can see this is a quick connect tubing, which is gonna go with main unit. As I mentioned, this is a 360 millimeters. It's a copper base, it's not aluminum, it's really high quality. And it's also what it's, you know, good thing, it's pre-filled, so you don't need to worry about, you know, putting more water in your loop. It's just pre-filled, you connect it and you're good to go. And there's also Alphacool logo on it. And I don't know, can you see it, but when you look through the radiator, you can see that it's actually a copper. It's a copper color. It's very great. It's black. It's really high quality made. And I will do some testing when I finish my build. Some benchmark I'm gonna put on, so stay tuned for that. Before I open this box, I want to say that first thing, what you want to do before you purchase this thing, especially 420, you need to see does your case support it. It's a big thing, 420. So there are only few cases on the market that supports this large radiator, so keep that in mind. Now let's get going. Okay. So we have instructions, manual, Eisbaer Aurora. It's model of the AIO. So we have brackets for Intel, also for AMD. It supports all sockets, the older ones, the newer ones, so you don't have to worry about is it gonna fit in your system. It really supports anything on the market. These are 140 millimeters fans, RGB OC logo on it, and they spans from, I don't know, can you see it, 600 to 1500 RPM, so they can go really fast. As I mentioned, this is RGB. There's a strip on the side, so it glows. Also one more. 3 fans. And the unit itself. Let's open this. Okay, there it is, the unit itself, its pump. There's a window here so you can see how much water do you have in your loop. There's also a fill port. Let me see. Yeah, there is fill. So if you want, you can add liquid if you need to. Also see logo on it, Alphacool. And this is actually why it's so unique. It has quick release fittings, so you can actually disconnect this and connect the 360 on it, or 420 or 240, 280. They have really wide range of radiators, so for expanding your loop, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It's really heavy and it's really big. There's the bottom of the pump, the sticker on it, power cables, an RGB header. It's also copper base, color is matte black. There it is, pretty nice. We also have a serial number here. I'll put this aside. What else do we got in a box? These are screws for fans. Nice. And, well, anything else inside? No. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. As I said earlier, this is for my next build, so I'm gonna record also. I'm gonna cover that, so stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you again.